In today's video, let's talk about how to use filters on Instagram. If you're just trying to enhance your photos and add a different style on your feed as well, filters can be a great way. So if you want to use filters on your post, you just need to tap on this plus icon on the bottom and then just select a video or a image that you're trying to upload. Once you have selected an image or a video, in order to apply filters, what you can do is tap on the edit video option on the bottom left of the screen. And then right here on the bottom, you'll be able to scroll left and then tap on filters. This way you can select a bunch of filters that are available inside of Instagram. Now, other than filters, what you can also add in are effects. If you tap on this star icon on the screen, you can take a look at different effects that are available inside of Instagram as well. You can just tap on it and the effect will be immediately applied. So that's the way that you use filters on Instagram. If you found this video to be helpful, do subscribe and also hit that notification so you get notified for more informative videos just like this.